love to record some moments of my life on camera or make a lot of photography. I love doing photography and making vlogs for you guys, so I hope you like and subscribe to this video and turn the bell on for all new videos and new notifications. When the salad was made, I saw that the fish was also already cooked. So the next step was to turn on the electric stove. After a little bit of waiting, when the stove got warmer, I poured some oil on it and spread it all over the pan. Next, I threw the onion into the pan to fry it a little. When I fried the onions, my mom helped me prepare spaghetti with zucchini and tomato sauce. When the sauce was ready, my mom took and poured it into the spaghetti. When the butter melted a little, my mom added the zucchini she cut.